Hi guys, it's finally here. Bubble added the ability to add icons to your buttons. I know it's long overdue, but then it's better late than never. So I'll just be taking you through it. Okay. So here you now have this drop down here that says label icon and label an icon, right? This is what we have by default before. And this new update gives the ability for just label alone, for just icon alone, and then another one for label and icon. Okay, I think we are more interested in this one. I am more interested in this one, right? So here you can choose any icon. Okay, I also think they upgraded the icons because I could see really new icons here. So I think they upgraded it to their Fault Awesome 4, right? So the icon is upgraded. So I'm just going to choose one icon here. Okay, I'm just good with this one. And then the size of the icon can be changed too. Okay, so I'm just going to go with 24, and of course the color can be changed too. Okay, I'm just going to go with white. And then here you also have the ability to change the orientation. So if you want the icon to be on the right, okay, it's on the right now. You can be on the left, it can be on top. I don't think anybody would use that, but then it can also be on the bottom. I'm good with this one here. I think right is fine. Okay, the alignment can also be altered. Okay, so Bubble is giving us a lot of customization option here, right? And I think it's really nice. I feel it's in preparation for mobile because you don't want to, launch a mobile, development and you don't have, icons on your button. I think that'll be a little bit ridiculous. So I think it's also in preparation for Bubble Mobile. Excited about it. And then there's also gap spacing here. So gap between the text and the icon. So I'm just going to put 10 here and all that. So guys, that's it. That's the new feature, right? See you guys.